Hello, it's Caitlin Jenkins here, the Family Law Vlogger. This vlog is about a bit of a jargon buster on some pension aspects. So the two main types of pensions that people have and which are relevant if they're divorcing are defined benefit schemes and defined contribution schemes. So what are the key differences between the two? Well, a defined benefit scheme is something like an armed forces pension scheme, perhaps a police pension scheme, an NHS pension scheme. And with a defined benefit scheme, the focus is on the income that that pension will produce when the person retires. And that income is usually based on a number of years of service or the actual salary that the person has had during their time with that employer. And so it can vary a little bit depending on whether it might be a career average or a final salary scheme, but it's all based around the income that the person has had during the time they've been in the membership of that scheme rather than the amount they've contributed. So that's the first type. Second type, defined contribution. So a defined contribution scheme can be a scheme that somebody has either in person, their own scheme, or it can be through an employer. And the difference is that with a defined contribution scheme, it's about the amounts that have been contributed to that scheme. Those contributions could come from the individual pension holder themselves, or they could come from an employer, or sometimes they come from both. And the amount that the individual gets when they retire is therefore based around the amount that has been contributed to the scheme, so the value of the scheme, and also the rate of return that's available in the market at that time. So the value of the scheme and the amount that it's going to produce for you, if it's a defined contribution scheme, can vary quite significantly depending on how the markets are performing. So those then are the key differences between the two different main types of pensions. And I'll do another vlog shortly about how to value pensions and their relevance in divorce. As always with the Family Law Vlog, if you need advice on your situation or want to understand more, please contact me or one of my expert colleagues at Mills Reeve in the family team, and we will be able to help you further. Our details are below this vlog. Thank you.